Hello friends, welcome students in our online chemistry classes. Students, today we start part second, elements of F block. Elements of F block. Student, what is F block elements? Elements in which last electron enters in F subshell or orbital is called as F block elements. Students, you know, in periodic table, F block present below D block elements. This block related to third group. This block related to third group and period 6th and 7th. Okay students, position of F block, you know, below D block elements and related to 6th and 7th period and third group. Students, these elements are also called as inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. Why we called F block elements is inner transition elements? Due to presence of three incomplete cells. Due to presence of three incomplete cells, it means n-2f, n-1d and ns. These cells are incomplete. Therefore, F block elements is called as inner transition elements. Okay, students. Now, another name of F block elements is rare earth elements. Rare earth elements. Why we called F block elements is rare earth elements? Students, because oxides of these elements present rarely in soil. Therefore, it is called as rare earth elements. Okay, students. Students, F block elements categorized in two series. One series is called as 4F series or lanthanide series. Lanthanide series. And second called as 4F series and actinide series. Actinide series. Okay, students. Students, general electronic configuration of F block element is be n-2f 1 to 14, n-1d 0 to 2 and ns2. It means its general electronic configuration. 14 electron filled in n-2f sub-penultimate cell, n-1d 0 to 2, it means penultimate cell, and ns, it means outermost cell, only 2 electrons filled in it. Okay, students. It is the overall introductions about F block elements. So that students, first of all, write down topic is be elements of F block. And now we take topic introduction. Okay, students, write down introduction. Elements in which last electron enters in elements in which last electron enters in F subshell are called as F block elements. In next line, this block belongs to third group and period 6th and 7th. In next line, this block contain total 28 elements. This block contain total 28 elements. In next line, elements of a block, also known as inner transition elements, due to presence of 3 incomplete shells. Write down in bracket n minus 2f, n minus 2f, comma n minus 1d, comma ns, bracket close. Student, in next line, elements of F block, also known as rare earth elements, due to presence of oxide of these elements, rarely in soils. Student, write down in next line. Study of F block elements is done by in following two series. Write down first 4F series or lanthanide series. Second 5F series or actinide series. Write down, student, in next line. General electronic configuration of F block elements are n minus 2f 1 to 14, n minus 1d 0 to 2, ns2. Okay, students, it is a overall introduction about F block elements. Students, now we take next topic, lanthanides elements. Okay, students, write down topic lanthanides element. Lanthanide elements. Students, already you know lanthanide elements start from atomic number 58 after lanthanum and end in atomic number 71. It means lutetium. It means these elements starts from cerium and end in lutetium. Okay, friends. So let's start about lanthanides elements. Okay, friends. First elements of this series is be cerium. Second, praseodymium. First, cerium 58. Students, praseodymium 59. Nd neodymium strength 60. Strength promethium 61. स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक ऐसा सिंगल एलिमेंट है इस लेंथेनाइड एलिमेंट्स में जो क्या होगा, रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट होगा, और यही आर्टिफिशियल एलिमेंट्स है स्टूडेंट्स जिसको हम लैब में प्रिपेयर करते हैं। स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट सेमेरियम 62. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट स्टूडेंट यूरोपियम 63. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट टर्बियम TB 64. सीढ़ी पर नदिया प्रेम की समाई यूं गदगद तब। पहले बच्चों GD आएगा, समाई यूं गदगद तब। गैडोलीनियम ये होता है 64. मैं आगे के एलिमेंट्स लिख देता हूं। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए सीरियम, प्रेसियोडाइमियम, नियोडाइमियम, प्रोमीथियम, सेमेरियम, यूरोपियम, गैडोलीनियम। नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट टर्बियम 65. डायस्प्रोसियम 66. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट होल्मियम 67. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट इर्बियम 68. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट थूलियम 69. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट इटरबियम 70. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट ल्यूटेशियम 71. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, these are 14 elements with name, with symbol, with atomic number. These are the lanthanide elements. Students, repeat. First element cerium. क्या स्टूडेंट? सीरियम. सेकेंड प्रेसियोडाइमियम Pr, नियोडाइमियम, प्रोमीथियम, सेमेरियम, यूरोपियम, गैडोलीनियम, टर्बियम, डाइस्प्रोसियम, होल्मियम, इर्बियम, थूलियम, इटर्बियम, ल्यूटेशियम। स्टूडेंट्स, इसको एक ट्रिक की फॉर्म में भी हम लर्न करते हैं। सीने पर नदिया प्रेम की समाई यूं, सीने पर नदिया प्रेम की समाई यूं, गदगद तब दिल हुआ, गदगद तब दिल हुआ, अरे तुम यूं भी लाजवाब हो। स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसको हिंदी में इस तरीके से ट्रिक के बेस पर भी लर्न कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको लर्न करने में प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती है तो स्टूडेंट्स आप इसको ऐसे भी लर्न कर सकते हैं। ओके बच्चों, रिपीट कर देता हूं। सीने पर नदिया प्रेम की समाई यूं, गदगद तब दिल हुआ, अरे तुम यूं भी लाजवाब हो। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इस फॉर्म में भी आप इसको लर्न कर सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, लैंथेनाइड एलिमेंट्स का जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होता है 4f1240 और इसमें इनर्ट गैस होती है बच्चों जिनोन। जिनोन से स्टार्ट करेंगे। जिनोन 4f1214 5d0216 6s2. Its general electronic configuration is B 4f1214 5d0216 6s2. Students, first of all, we can write down about general introduction of lanthanide elements. Okay students, तो आपने lanthanide elements टॉपिक डाल रखा है, अब आप इसमें लिखिएगा इंट्रोडक्शन। राइट डाउन इंट्रोडक्शन टॉपिक। Elements in which last electron enters in 4f orbital is called as lanthanide elements. Is called as lanthanide elements. In next line, these elements starts from element cerium and end in elements lutetium, and its atomic number is be 58 to 71. 58 to 71. In next line, these elements present after the lanthanum. These elements present after the lanthanum in sixth period. Therefore, it represented by Ln, capital L, small n. In next line, promethium is a single element which forms in laboratory. Therefore, it is called as artificial or radioactive element. Artificial or radioactive elements. Underline this point. Okay students, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। प्रोमीथियम के बारे में जीके का भी क्वेश्चन बनता है, इसलिए आप ये याद रखिएगा, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। इन नेक्स्ट लाइन, maximum properties of lanthanides. Maximum properties of lanthanides is be similar to elements yttrium Y39 due to some following reasons. Write down first reason. Ionic radius of both elements is be similar. Ionic radius of both elements is be similar. Second point, both elements are found in single minerals. Okay students, this question is very important for RBC. Okay students, important लगा लीजिए आप इस क्वेश्चन को, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है RBC इंग्लिश मीडियम में। ओके चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक राइट डाउन, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ लैंथेनाइड्स एलिमेंट्स। electronic configurations of lanthanide elements. इसमें आप बच्चों लिखिएगा जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ lanthanide elements is be xenon 4f1 to 14 5d 0 to 1 6s2 6s2 ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब आप यहां पर मैं एक टेबल बना रहा हूं, उस टेबल को आप याद रखिए, नोट करेंगे और ये बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टेबल होगी। इसका जनरल ईसी मैंने आपको रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया। अब ऑल एलिमेंट्स में इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे फिल होते हैं मैं आपको उसके बारे में स्टूडेंट एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं। ओके बच्चों, देखिए बच्चों, 54 इलेक्ट्रॉन फील्ड इन genome, okay, and next electron filled in 4f. First of all, electron filled in outermost cell 6s2 and inside 5d 1. Okay, 54 filled in genome, 2 electron filled in 6s, 1 electron filled in 5d, then total electron 54, 55 and 57. Then 1 electron enters in 4f1. Okay, then total electron enters 58 in 4f, 5d and 6s and 54 in genome. Okay students, but in neodymium energy difference is be minimum in 4f and 5d orbital. Their electrons of 5d enters in 4f, then its configuration is be 4f3. It means 4f2 is be left and 5d electrons is be vacant and 6s2. Okay students, now in promethium, now electron enters in only 4f orbital, 4f4, 5d0, 6s2. In samarium, 4f5, 5d0, 6s2. In europium, 4f6, 5d0, 6s2. In gadolinium, xenon, students, this one xenon, this one praseodymium, this one neodymium, this one promethea, this one samarium and this one europium. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये स्पेस अपन से वैकेंट रह गई थी, इस वजह से हुआ। तो जिनोन 4f7, 5d0, 6s2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ फॉर गैडोलिनियम, जिनोन 4f7, 5d1, 6s2. Student, here in gadolinium, after 4f7 electron enters in 5d, therefore its configuration is be 5d1. Okay, it is an important configuration because 4f8 is not present here, therefore electron enters in 5d. Okay, now in terbium, xenon 4f9, not 8, 9. Then its electron, 5d electron transfer in 4f7. Then its vacant 5d0, 6s2. Now in dysprosium, xenon, 4f10, 5d0, 6s2. In next holmium, xenon, 4f11, 5d0, 6s2. In erbium, xenon, 4f12, 5d0, 6s2. Students, in thulium, xenon, 4f13, 5d0, 6s2. Students, in yttrium, xenon, 4f14, 5d0, 6s2. Students, in lutetium, you can watch in last. In lutetium, xenon, 4f14, 5d1, 6s2. It's a configuration of lutetium. Okay students, it is a overall electronic configuration of lanthanides elements. Students, you can write down this table for electronic configuration of lanthanides elements. On the basis of electronic configuration, we studied about oxidation states. Okay students, but we studied about in next video. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video. Okay students, thank you.